The kidneys are two reddish-brown bean-shaped organs in our body. They are among the body's hardest working organs. If you are suffering from kidney stone or want to learn about it, then this video is for you. Kidney tirelessly filters waste, minerals, and excess water from the body and maintains a healthy balance of water, salts, and minerals, such as sodium, calcium, phosphorus, and potassium in our blood. Without this balance, nerves, muscles, and other tissues in our body may not work normally. For a variety of reasons, however, sometimes the urine can accumulate minerals and slowly form solid crystal in the kidney. Renal calculi or kidney stones are one of the most common and painful among all urinary disorders. So, let us now know about kidney stone, its formation and how allopathy treats this condition. To begin, a kidney stone is a hard deposit, like a small pebble or crystal, composed of minerals or substances normally found in the urine. In fact, often small stones pass without causing any symptoms at all. If a stone grows to more than 5 mm, it can cause blockage of the ureter, resulting in sharp and severe pain in the lower back or abdomen. Symptoms of kidney stones are typically not noticeable until the stone starts to move or grows too large. About half of people who had a kidney stone are likely to have another within 10 years. Till here we have understood about kidney stone and its formation. Let us now see how allopathy treats kidney stone. In allopathy, medications are given to control the amount of minerals and salts in the urine, which may be helpful in people who form certain kinds of stones. Modern treatments include painkiller and surgical removal of the stones, while often there is a relapse and stones are again formed after some time. Unless the root cause is not treated, it is not gone completely. When it comes to treat kidney stones, in Ayurveda, it takes a holistic approach in managing and treating it. So, let's see how Ayurveda treats kidney stone. According to Ayurveda, when there's an imbalance in the Vata dosha levels, the body's kapha composition may dry out. This can lead to kidney stones. In Ayurveda, kidney stones are known as Ashmari. This Sanskrit word is made by joining two words, Ashma and Ari, where Ashma means stone and Ari means enemy. Ayurvedic treatment of renal stones includes a range of therapies that include plant-based medicine, diet and lifestyle changes. A number of diuretic herbs are used that helps to break the stones so they are easily expelled in the urine. After this, the urinary system is cleaned, conditioned and revived for proper filtration arrangements. Panchakarma is another elegant cleansing process that releases stored toxins and restores the body's innate healing ability. Patients are recommended to have a healthy diet and lifestyle to flush out the toxins from the kidney by drinking enough water to prevent them. Altering the biochemical quality of urine can help in the treatment, prevention and relapse of the stones. So to know more how Ayurveda treats kidney stone, please contact with the Ayurveda expert who has shared this video with you. Do tap for healthy living. Thank you.